Midnight whispers through my window pane. That old guitar cries like a lover in pain. Every note I play tells a story again of a heart that's been broken and can't love the same. Oh, the sound of the blues ain't nothing but my soul singing the truth. Strings bend like my wheels don't. Every moan from this guitar is the ache that I can't shake. Smoke curls up on my last cigarette. Piano weeps all the things I forget. That old bass line walks through my regret, while the drums keep time like the tears ain't dried yet. Oh, the sound of the blues ain't nothing but my soul singing the truth. Every moan from this guitar is the ache that I can't shake. I let the vibrato linger long till it sounds like my heart's favorite sad song. The amp hums like a sinner's last prayer before the last note fades into air. Morning light finds my fingers still so